Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS4 controller to your PC via Bluetooth. First, make sure your personal computer has Bluetooth enabled and is ready to receive new connections. It's also a good idea to fully charge your PlayStation 4 controller beforehand to avoid any interruptions during the setup process. Close any background applications that might use Bluetooth or interfere with the connection for a smoother experience. Next, you'll need to put your PlayStation 4 controller into pairing mode. To do this, simultaneously press and hold both the PlayStation button, which is the circular button in the center, and the share button, located on the left side of the touchpad. Keep holding them down until the light bar on the top of your controller begins to flash rapidly. This rapid flashing is your signal that the controller is actively searching for a device to connect with. Now, turn your attention back to your personal computer. Open your PC's settings and navigate to the Bluetooth and other devices section. From there, click on the option to add Bluetooth or other device and then select Bluetooth from the choices presented. Your computer will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. You should see wireless controller appear in the list. Click on it to initiate the pairing process. Once successfully paired, the light bar on your PlayStation 4 controller will change from rapidly flashing to a solid blue color, indicating a stable connection. To confirm everything is working correctly, open a game or a controller testing application on your personal computer and check the input responses. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your PC and the controller can often resolve minor connectivity problems, getting you back to gaming in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.